Welcome back to the Keto Cooking Kitchen. Today we're going to make a beef and pork soup by preparing a strong broth as a basis first and using it to make our final soup. We need beef shank and ham hock, some coconut oil, and soup vegetables like cauliflower, carrots, leeks, and broccoli. We start by melting the coconut oil in a big pot and searing all the meat on both sides. As the vegetables are not needed now, I store them in the fridge until the broth is finished. After about 10 minutes of searing, add water to the pot until the meat is completely covered. Let it cook for about 4 hours while stirring and adding some water occasionally. When the broth is finished and the meat falls apart on its own, take a medium pot, add about 1.5 liters of water and get it to boil with the lid on. In the meantime, take about 500 gram meat from the broth and separate it from the bones. Now add the meat and about 2.5 liters liquid from the broth, seasonings and all our vegetables to the medium pot. Finally, let it cook for another 30 minutes until the vegetables are done. You can store the remaining broth in the freezer to use it as a soup base later on. And this is our finished beef and pork soup with vegetables. If you like this recipe, check out the link to it in the video description, and make sure to share, like, comment and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at KetoKookin.